Here we are at 611 West, 375 South in Hurricane, Utah. Cute little home in Cobble Stone Fields. Let's take a look inside. Right into the left, we've got an office, room for a desk and a closet, a little breakfast nook, to the right past the kitchen, got a laundry room with built-in shelving, and there's the garage entrance. We won't bug you with that. Here's bedroom 1, king-size bed, closet space, generous closets, the connecting bathroom, and this goes through to bedroom 2, generous bedrooms, another closet, and back through to the kitchen. There's the backyard. We'll take a look out there. Storage shed, plenty of lawn. There's another little shed on that side. Patio. Bar. In the living room. Down the hallway we got the half bath. Another linen closet. The master bed.
Rather than moan about it, they built a giant mirror that reflects the sun down into the building.
With the sunken jacuzzi tub. Walk-in shower. Large closet with built-in shelving. The commode room. And there we've got it. 4 bed, 2.5 bath in Hurricane, Utah.